Hello friends, today we are going to see how to make the mango bar. We used to get the mango bar from outside. You can make this mango bar at home itself. See, I had taken the pulp of this few mangoes. I cut it into pieces. Now I am going to blend it in the mixer grinder. I'll show you. Now I have blended in the mixer grinder. You can light the stove and keep it in a medium flame. It's already thick. It should be cooked. That's what it means. So we are cooking. I'll show you after some time when it is cooked properly. Now it is little bit cooked. So I can add sugar. You can add according to sweetness of the mango. If it is more sweet, you can add less amount of sugar. If it is less sweet, you can add more of sugar. So I am adding half the glass of sugar. Now mix it well. The sugar melts and it becomes watery. Again, when it becomes thickened, you can switch off the stove. After it is cooled, you can spread it in a greased plate. Now at this stage, you can switch off the stove. Let it cool for more than 1 hour. Then only we have to spread it in the greased plate. Grease the plate well with ghee. Now you pour the cooked pulp on the greased plate. You can spread evenly and you can dry it for 3 to 4 days in the sunlight. This mango bar is dried well. Now we can peel it from the sides. It will come as such. You can see how it does come out. Yes, it's very nice to see, right? Now you can make it into pieces according to your wish of different shapes, square or triangle or rectangle. You can cut it into pieces and you can store it for a long time. I'll catch you with interesting videos like this. Until then, bye from your Zuma Selvakumar. Thank you. Have a nice day.